Hello everyone, I'm Cody and welcome back to Hearth and Harvest. Today we're talking about one of the most important steps in growing healthy plants, and that's repotting your seedlings into larger containers. If your seedlings are starting to outgrow their space, this step can make a huge difference between thriving plants and the stunned ones. So you may be wondering or new to gardening, and you have to ask yourself, why do we need to repot seedlings in the first place? Well, as your plants grow, their roots need more space, more nutrients, and better airflow. If they stay too long in small containers, they can become root bound, meaning the root circles around themselves and they struggle to absorb water and nutrients properly. A few signs your seedlings are ready to move are the roots are poking out of the drainage holes, the soil is drying out very quickly, the seedlings look top heavy or crowded. Repotting at the right times gives your plants a strong foundation for the rest of the growing season. So what you need to replant your seedlings into bigger pots is, of course, larger pots, preferably with drainage holes, fresh high quality potting mix, water, and your seedlings too, of course. So you want to prepare your new pot. You want to fill the new container about halfway with the fresh potting mix. You want enough depth so that the seedlings sit slightly below the rim. And right now I'm kind of like scoring and taking away the outside layer of that seedling cover. And you want to gently remove the seedling. You don't want to hold it by the stems or anything like that. You want to gently ease it out. If it's stuck, lightly squeeze the sides of the containers. Another tip is to always check the roots. If the roots are tightly wound together, gently loosen them. It encourages them to grow outward into the new soil. Set the seedling into the new pot and fill it around with new soil, and then lightly press it down, but just don't pack it down too hard. After transplanting, you want to just make sure you give it a good watering right after. This helps settle the soil and eliminates air pockets. So here's a few little important tidbits and tips to help with your repotting of your seedlings. You don't want to bury the stems too deep, except for plants like tomatoes, which actually benefit from deeper planting. Always choose pots with drainage. Soggy soil can lead to root rot. Avoid fertilizing immediately after repotting. It just gives your plants a few days to adjust so it doesn't shock the plant. Keep newly repotted seedlings out of harsh direct sunlight for a few days. This will reduce the stress on the plant. And remember, gentle handling is key. Seedlings are tougher than they look, but their roots are pretty delicate. And that's it, a simple but essential setup to helping your garden thrive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more cozy gardening tips here on Hearth and Harvest. Happy growing, and I'll see you on the next one.